Hello universe, it's day 3 here in Tokyo, and we're heading out to explore Ginza, Akihabara, and Ueno. Another beautiful day, another adventure. But first, breakfast at Lawson. I'm still sticking to my favorite, the bread with bacon and egg paired with lemon tea. Magkano? Ba ngayon? First stop, Ginza. Time to explore one of the Tokyo's most elegant shopping districts. We went straight to Itoya, the ultimate stationery paradise. There are so many cute notebooks, pens, and unique Japanese items. It's honestly so hard to walk out without buying something.
Twinkling bright, we'll chase the moon through the night. Our hearts are light, the rhythm sweet. With every step, the world's our street. The ocean whispers tales untold as we dance on sands of gold, laughing neath the starry sky. Our spirits lift, we soar so high. Oh, the carefree moments flow in the breezy tunes we know. Together we're a perfect pair. Sunrise paints the morning dew with a color only we knew. Every day's a new reprieve. Life's a dance, a sweet surprise. Hand in hand we greet the dawn.
After Itoya, we headed over to Loft, another amazing store with everything from home goods to stationery and lifestyle items.
Melodies that pull us on. With every twirl, a dream we weave. In this dance, we'll always believe. Oh, the carefree moments flow in the breezy tunes we know.
After shopping at Loft, we made our way to Akihabara, the famous electronics and anime district of Tokyo. Pindot mo. Yes. We went to BIC Camera because my sister wanted to buy her Sony ULT headphones there. I also stopped by Animate, the ultimate spot for anime merch, collectibles, and all things otaku. After all that commuting and walking, we decided to have lunch at Yoshinoya. After lunch, we decided to have some fun. We played the claw machines, tried the racing game, and even did the elevator photo booth. Such a fun little break. Ako naman. Next, we went to Radio Kaikan, one of Akihabara's most iconic buildings packed with anime, manga, and collectible stores. Opo, pag-lima. Yun, ayun na. Sino po? Putsaka? final stop of the day, we headed to Ueno and the famous Amayoko shopping street. It's a lively area full of shops, street food, and souvenirs. For dinner, we went to Ichiran Ramen, a perfect way to end the night with a warm, comforting bowl.